Okay, well, property. First thing is we need a floodlight here with a PIR sensor. Ideally somewhere over there because that's the entrance. And I need to be able to pick up for along here. The key safe's there. Ideally, that would need to be moved to this door, and maybe put the floodlight here because this should be really the main entrance to the property, and not this. Secondly, the door, the latch here, it's not lifting up, so we need to send somebody out to have a look at that as well. Okay. Just ask somebody to have a look at the silicone, just to avoid leaks. But generally, that might be okay for now. But maybe if Alex is here, maybe ask him to redecorate that wall. So there's 2 fridges, that should be sufficient. That's the washer dryer. Can't see any leaks along here. Okay, so into the room. So it's room 1 off the kitchen. This will be room 2, and this is just for the communal areas only. I've brought the notice board around, so can we have the fabric side facing outwards, and can we have it here? So can we put it on this wall, and hopefully going forward this will be the main entrance. Okay. Some lights. Stairway is fine. Carpets just needs a clean. That's fine. Okay, so bathroom. Guess that just needs clearing up. We do have a bin in here for the toilets. We can have that scraped down, or at least clean, and that check the sealant on that. Have it sealed just in case there's any leaks, and then this just needs to clean really. I think we should be fine. Paintwork seems fine. It's a lock. Can we have a sign here that says bathroom as well? So tenants know that it's a bathroom. Okay. I'm going to see if we can block this off and have the door here, and then have this as a separate ensuite, but we'll do that separately. So it's room 1. Room layout is room 1 off the kitchen. Room 2 is actually outside the kitchen. 2. This is room 3. This is room 4, and upstairs is room 5. All right, see you. Okay, it's just a quick update of the 5-bed HMO. We've moved the key safe from there over to here because we're going to use this as the main entrance now. We're going to relocate this floodlight there so that there's lighting in this entrance, and so we can use the key safe and the keys. Let's go to the living room. So we started the deep clean already and the redecorating. As you see, I think it's a lot more presentable. Did a bit of a clear out, and Helen and the cleaning team has certainly helped. We've also fixed some of the locks as well. Everything looks fresh. So we're just halfway through the works. We've got the notice board up with all the compliance stuff. We started emptying out this room, for example. So all the furniture is gone. We've redecorated and recarpeted, so it looks like a proper room. And we'll do some further stuff in here, but you can see the shell of it, can't you? Okay, so upstairs again, redecorating. Carpet just needs a deep clean. Bathroom, let's give it a good clean. That's been redecorated, resealed, and we'll check we'll sort out the minor issues. Room 3 again, recarpeted, repainted. The furniture that works we'll keep in because they're quite robust. We're getting a new small double bed with space underneath for storage, and then dress the place, and that should be ready. We've actually started taking marketing pictures already, so I'm quite eager to get this room up here. So the plan for this is to turn this into an ensuite room with an office. So this will be the office here. Obviously all the rubbish is being left there right now. We'll have to rip out this ensuite and start again. The flooring was completely gone, so that has to be, there you go, so that has to be all done again and done properly. And then this will be the bedroom for this area. Again, we've redecorated and recarpeted, so everything looks great now. And the lights coming in. There you go. So once everything's done, I'll come back, do a final tour, take proper marketing pictures and videos. But we'll start the viewings now because I've just come here to take marketing pictures just to get the ball rolling to minimise the void for our landlord. Okay, alright, see you.